let me explain the LFO sequencer. I can use here to modulate pitch. Okay. So the first thing is that we have 8 modulators. That means so it's 6 LFOs and 2 randomizers, which is sample and hold waveforms. From LFO 1 to 4 is synced LFOs, so it's synced to the tempo of your project. And LFO 5 and 6, it's free rate LFOs. And Chaos 1 and 2, it's sample and hold modulators, robot stuffs. And then you can sequence then. You can set each one, and then the sequence is gonna be moving around these LFOs. Let me check. Woo! Whoa, this is really cool. So let me explain. Destination, it's on pitch, okay, from all the synth. When the sequence is off, you can listen to one LFO at a time. So let me choose LFO 1. Now I'm only here LFO 1 to the modulation. This is super nice. So LFO 1, I can go here. 1 bar, let's say. Shape triangle. Sol. Sol up. And ramp it sol down. Pew, pew, pew. That is also triangle. Wow, wow, pulse. And white noise. Big noise. Crazy. Let's go to triangle. But the cool thing is we have steps. Nobody knows what is the steps on the LFO, just me. But I wrote in the manual, okay? Steps are beat crush effect, is this distortion on the LFO wave. So I can make a kind of digital effect on the waveform. So now it's completely straight, smooth, like, you know. When I add steps, wow, what is this, man? This is robot stuff. We love robot stuff. So it's making steps on the kind of quantizer